So this piece has a lot of meaning to us because we came to Baltimore in 1979 to interview. I was interviewing for a Johns Hopkins PhD program. Dean was interviewing at Sinai for the general surgery program. And at the time, we happened to be staying in the Belvedere. Well, actually, we weren't staying at the Belvedere Hotel. We were just visiting. And so, but at the time, there was no harbor yet. The harbor was just being built. And we happened to be in the Belvedere Hotel when Mayor Schaefer is whisked down outside comes down an elevator, and we're just standing in the lobby, and someone says, "Would you like to meet Mayor Schaefer?" And we go, "Sure, we'll meet the mayor." And so Mayor Schaefer comes up and he welcomes us to the city in hopes that we stay and that we enjoy our life here. And then he's whisked into a limousine to go to the Oriole game, which was the last of the World Series, and we won, and that was the year that we won the World Series. So that was an exciting time for us. And then we did move here in 1980 when the harbor was just built. So we moved here into Baltimore at the renaissance of really Mayor Schaefer really creating the new Baltimore. And this is Dean's representation of the
reflections of Baltimore in the Inner Harbor with a black-eyed Susie in its center. And I have another one over here.
Here, come over here. This is Charm Med you have.
Yeah, this is Charmed, and it's after Charm City. And you can see the reflection of Baltimore in the Inner Harbor, the University of Maryland in the background, the World Trade Center, the Bromo-Seltzer Tower, a small image of the same. It goes on to the Inner Harbor. There's Hopkins in the background, the power plant live in the background, and the Hard Rock Cafe is also there too. I hope you enjoy this one.